Ooh, 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 ooh. Just making sure we're live. I think, I'll just give it some time. We should be live on YouTube. Just give it some time, people. We got people joining the live stream. I hope this is public, actually. All right, cool. So we got people. Ooh, the room's filling up pretty nicely. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good to see you guys. I wanted to come on here and do like a surprise live stream for you guys. Ooh, 118 people already. That was a lot. Wanted to come on here and do a surprise live stream for you guys. I didn't want to announce it anywhere. I just wanted to come on here and yeah, obviously we just crossed the 100,000 YouTube subscribers, so I wanted to come on here and just see who are my real loyal subscribers. I just wanted to come see which one of you was going to be here and which one of you guys was going to click the link and obviously have a conversation with me. Let's take it from there. So we got a lot of people joining as we speak. Just give it some time. I think if we got about 1,000 people, we can kick it off. Right now we got 250 in the room. So let's give it some time. But in the meantime, how are you guys? Where are you guys from? Tell me where you're from. I want to know where you're from. I can see somebody from Uganda. If I'm not mistaken. Hold on. I don't know which way is it. Is it this? Which has the most recent ones? All right, cool. So I can see Patrick, Moses, Mary Jane. Hi, Mary Jane. Said hi, Dapo. Yeah, I can see Humphrey. I can see a lot of people. Good to see you guys. Hi, Patrick from Durban, South Africa, beginner trader. Shout out to you, Patrick. I wish you all the very best in your trading journey. Not to worry. I believe you are going to become very, very successful without a doubt. Okay? Without a doubt whatsoever. Yeah, let's see if we got more people in the room. For a lot of people are joining right about now. Emmanuel from Ghana, Ace from Istanbul, Turkey, Obina Jeffrey from Delta State, Nigeria. Shout out to you. I've been to Delta State before. I was trying to go from Port Harcourt to Asaba. The road was so bad. The disciplined trader says they're from Nigeria. Greetings from Kenya. I've been to Nairobi. I've been to Mombasa. I've been to Kilifi a couple of times though. I've been to all these places. Hold on, I'm just trying to make sure I can see the live stream from here. Alright, cool. I can see the live stream. Let's see if we got some more people. New comments at the bottom, all the way from Canada. Ooh. It's August in Canada, so I'm guessing it's summertime. The weather should be nice. Lenny from Kenya. MJ Pips, shout out to you. I see you. I see every one of you. I just wanted to come on here and say thank you. Guys, we smashed 100K. 100,000 YouTube subscribers, bruh. Do you know how long I've been waiting for this moment to come? Like, we've been putting out videos after videos, putting out as much content as I can. And obviously, you guys know that I don't like to. Joseph, what are you doing here? I have somebody from Willis University here. His name is Joseph. For those of you who've bought the Forex Mastery course, you know Joseph. Shout out to Joseph for always helping, ensuring that you guys get enrolled, because left to me, I'm always too busy to enroll anybody. And Joseph is always blowing up my phone. Anyway, so what was I saying? So yeah, putting out videos after videos. Sometimes I'm not in the mood to put out videos, but I still have to put out videos because at the end of the day, like I owe my allegiance to you guys. I have to make sure that obviously you guys are. I just have to make sure that you guys are good. If you get what I mean, like in terms of education and obviously impacting you guys with my trading knowledge. So it's been a long time coming. 100K. like I said, some days I just didn't feel like putting out videos, but man, the videos had to go out. They had to go out. And then obviously sometimes I take some time off YouTube just to actually do proper trading, because the truth is I make most of my money from trading, actually trading, unlike most traders out on YouTube who just put out videos. So sometimes I need to really focus on my trading. Do you get what I mean? So that's why sometimes you notice I don't put out as much videos. 1, 2, I try as much as possible not to post that much lifestyle content on YouTube. Flashy stuff, cars, money, shopping and all that, because at the end of the day, like, I'm not trying to deceive people into thinking that trading is easy. Unlike most other YouTubers out there, obviously, they come on here, they post cars and all that kind of stuff. Yes, it's good to obviously show the nice side of Forex, but I just feel like it's a bit scammy. And honestly, I have more value to provide to the Forex industry than just showing off cars. And the truth is, if I wanted to show off cars and houses, most YouTubers cannot even match what I can bring to the table. Do you get what I mean? So, but guess what, guys? I'm creating a new channel. I'm creating a separate channel for that, which actually has just launched, and I'm going to be showing you guys that channel shortly. But today, I want to do some Forex Q&A sessions. I want to have a conversation with you guys. I want us to have Forex Q&A. But before I kick off the Q&A session, I just wanted to say to you guys that this live stream has been brought to you in partnership with OctaFX. You guys know OctaFX has been supportive of the Learn Forex with Dapo Willis community. We've done a couple of Trader Talk videos where they were major sponsors of that, and obviously they have decided to sponsor this live stream as well. So obviously I'll be doing different shout outs to them as well, because they actually supported the journey, not gonna lie. Yeah, just wanted to give a quick shout out to them. So it says, thanks, I stumbled across your page 2 weeks ago, bought the Forex Mastery course and completed, and now I see things differently. All right, fantastic, I'm happy. This is what I like to hear, like all the testimonials coming back and everybody being happy with the Forex Mastery program at the end of the day. You guys absolutely rock. For those of you who bought the program, somebody says, see your bare ears. You don't like my ears? Bro, girls love my ears, man. Leave my ears alone. Leave my ears alone. So yeah, what was I saying? So it's good to see all the positive feedback from you guys from the Forex Mastery program. Good to see that you guys actually took a lot from it and learned a significant amount of stuff from the Forex Mastery program. I'm really happy to hear that. I decided it's actually about 9:50 Dubai time, so I'm not as sharp as I would like to be, but I had to wait till this time because I know it's evening, West African time. It's evening also in South Africa and stuff like that. So, and also in East Africa as well. So I wanted to ensure that you guys were home, you guys were relaxed, you guys were chilling, so that you guys can obviously jump on the live stream and then we can obviously be able to have a conversation. All right, guys. So obviously, I'm going to be sharing my screen. As you know me, I'm a technical analyst. Like I'm gonna drop some gems as always. Like from my last Trader Talk video, you guys know that I made some trading calls. I said AUD USD was going to drop. It has dropped. The euro was going to pull back. It has pulled back. And GBP USD was going to pull back, and it has pulled back. So shout out to the top-down analysis as always. Somebody says, are you cold? So in Dubai, it's very hot outside. So they tend to overcompensate by really turning up the AC in the house. So it gets really cold inside because they're trying to compensate for the heat outside. So yeah, I am cold inside. But if I was to go outside, there's no way I'm going to wear this because it's boiling outside. But inside the house, I am cold. Somebody says GBP USD is playing out well. All right, guys, we're going to jump on this. Someone says, I don't have money to buy the mastery program. Sorry. Quick shout out to some more people here. We've got some Imaru Ibrahim. Do you trade technicals alone or combination of technicals and fundamentals? So I'm 99.999999% technicals, fundamentals, not much. I can't remember the last time I looked at anything fundamentals or looked at Forex Factory or anything of that sort. So yeah, not really. Not really fundamentals. Not really fundamentals. Yo, Dapo, what are the best time zones of trading? The best times, I actually did a video on, I did a full YouTube video on time zones. So if you just check that, you're going to be able to see it. As always, yes, so just waiting for more people to join in. We got 427. I think we can kick things off with this actually. Is ICT any good? What is ICT? I think I've heard about ICT before. I'm not really currently making point. There's one, I don't know, ICT. I can't remember what ICT is. Don't really pay attention to stuff like that. I hail you, my boss. I hail you too, Mr. Enahoro Ayodeji. I hail you too, brother. I see you too, brother. I see every single one of you. All right, cool. So, guys, let's kick things off. I'm going to jump into my charts and I'm going to share what I have for today, right? I'm using a new live streaming software, so bear with me. Pardon me. Bear with me because there's going to be some fucking glitches. Bear with me. There's going to be some glitches for sure, but I'm going to try as much as possible. Inside circle trading. Oh, right. I've come across it sometime on Twitter, but I don't really pay attention to it. I actually think had a glance at it and I just found it a bit too complicated. Like you guys know me, like I'm a very simple trader. Like anything that has to do with I think I know what ICT is actually. I think I had a look at it one time. Now that you've said the inside circle trader, I always see the logo on Twitter and all that. So I actually tried to have a look at it, and personally, obviously I don't know, people claim to use it to make a lot of money, but personally I tried to look at some clips and all that, and I just found it very, very complicated. Very, very complicated. And if there's anything I've learned from 12 years of trading Forex is if it's too complicated, then it's just not, I don't know. It's just not, I don't know, it's just not my vibe. When it comes to trading, you guys know I like to simplify things. I'm not trying to knock anybody's strategy or anything, but for me, and that's why I like the top-down analysis, because it's very simple, straightforward. Once things start to get complicated in trading, it becomes more difficult to follow. Forex blogger Ayo is here. Oh yeah, Forex blogger Ayo is always tagging me. Shout out to you. Shout out to the great work you're doing. Your pages are not that big yet, but don't worry, they're gonna grow. I see what you're doing. Good work with that. So back to what I was saying about ICT. Like I don't really know much about it, but I've tried to watch a couple of videos and I wasn't like, it was difficult for me to comprehend, to this order. I don't know, it was just everywhere. I'm just like, not for me. Not for me. I have my own style and I like to stick to my own style. And at the end of the day, that's exactly what I like to do. And this fucking hoodie keeps popping up and showing my fucking collarbone. Don't annoy me. Willis Capital is coming soon. Don't worry. They're working on the back end. They have to work on the back end. They have to make sure everything is good. Do you get what I mean? If we're gonna have one of the best prop firms out there, we have to make sure it is good. Which this bloody thing now was so annoying. Guys, this hoodie is annoying. Stay in one place, Oga. Aha, to the left a bit. Oh, yeah. Good. Yeah, so Willis Capital is coming very, very, very soon. They're obviously building the back end, trying to make sure everything's good. We're also looking at every other prop firm and just trying to make sure that we obviously have the best product out there, because I'm not just trying to launch a prop firm that's just going to be like every other prop firm. I'm genuinely trying to look at all the challenges that traders have in prop firms, and obviously trying to make that better. Once again, guys, if you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Dapo Willis. It's good to have every single one of you here. I love you guys. We just hit 100,000 YouTube subscribers. I'm actually going to be doing another live stream on Sunday. Guys, if you're listening to this, it's 512 people here. Today, I want to do a Forex Q&A session. I'm going to be looking at my charts. And today, the live stream is sponsored by OctaFX, right? OctaFX, we're going to be obviously speaking about them in a bit. But on Sunday, I'm going to be doing a live giveaway here on my YouTube channel. Sunday, don't miss it. Sunday evening, you don't want to miss it. Sunday evening, you don't want to miss it. The 100K giveaway is going to be live here on my YouTube channel. And you know me, I don't miss. I give out this money for real. Of course, a stack of $10,000 somewhere. My fucking bread. Hold on, guys. Nah. I'll show you guys later. But before any of that, obviously, before we get to Sunday, we have to obviously talk about what we have to talk about for today. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen right about now. And then we're going to look at some Forex pairs. But actually, before I look at some Forex pairs, I wanted to... hold on. Just trying to make sure everything is good. Bam, bam, bam. How do you share your screen on this damn thing again? All right, cool. We are... Can you guys see my screen? If you can see my screen, kindly type Y in the question box. Can you see my screen? If you can see my screen, kindly type Y in the question box, please. If you can see my screen, kindly type Y in the question box. Just want to make sure you guys can see my screen. Can you see my screen? I actually want to start talking some chart work now. Can you see my screen? Type Y in the question box if you can see my screen so that we can carry on with the live stream. I wanted to talk about some Forex stuff, please. If you can see my screen, kindly type Y in the question box, please. All right, cool. So you guys can see my screen. I have AUD USD in front of me, which is actually my favorite pair, you guys know. Just give me a sec. I'm trying to read something. All right, guys. So before I kick things off, I obviously have to dedicate a segment of this channel to I need to dedicate a segment of this live stream to the sponsors of this live stream, which is a company called OctaFX. Most of you guys know OctaFX. I'm one of the big brokers in Nigeria as we speak. I think they're obviously big in Africa as well. So, guys, obviously, I feel like OctaFX, the reason I actually respect them is the fact that they actually have decided anything that has to do with trading education. They have actually obviously been of great support to us from some of the Trader Talk episodes, obviously to this live stream and everything. So just give me some minutes. Let's obviously go over their platform pretty quickly. Obviously, as you can see, this is their website right about here. If I'm not mistaken, I'm just going to drop a link to creating your account. Hold on, I need to find that link right about now. Drop in the comment section right about now. So the link is coming. Obviously, this is the OctaFX homepage. So if you wanted to obviously start trading, just come click start trading, and then you can obviously create your trading account and stuff like that. So here is the link to create your OctaFX trading account. I have just done that right about there. Put it on there. I'm trying to see a way if I can pin it so that you guys can see. All right, cool. So here you have the OctaFX obviously dashboard page. This is the home page. So if you wanted to create your account, just come to start trading, and then obviously you can come to sign up right about here. Ensure to use the link. It's right about here. Oops. No, don't need this. So the link is right about here. I've dropped it in the comment section, and I have also pasted it right about here so you see it. Here you go. There it is, right about there. So let me try and see if I can pin this on YouTube. Obviously, guys, OctaFX, they're my guys, so you have to give them a quick shout out. But not to worry, I'm going to jump into Someone's asking me, do I have a discount coupon code? Yeah, of course. Just give me a sec. I'm trying to pin this thing, but too many comments. Pin message. All right, guys. So I have gone ahead to pin the. I've gone ahead to pin the link to creating your OctaFX account right about there. Coupon code. Wait, they sent me the coupon code. Let me tell you guys the coupon code. For those of you guys who want the coupon code, I'll share with you guys. The coupon code for OctaFX is Dapo100. Yes, because I just hit 100 subscribers. Somebody says it's really hard to trust any broker. They're always thinking about making money over you. Well, since we're on the broker subject, you know me, I don't shy away from talking about brokers. I don't shy away from talking about any organizations. The thing is, the honest truth is, most people feel like their problem is their broker. Your problem is not your broker. Your problem is you. Your problem is you, like, regardless of whatever your broker wants to do. If you are a profitable trader, you are a profitable trader. Like, brokers have absolutely nothing to do with this. Are there bad brokers out there? Of course they are. But even if you're trading with a regular broker, like, if you make money, you make money. If you lose money, you lose money. So brokers have nothing to do with this. And OctaFX are pretty much everywhere. Do you know what I mean? If you put your money in, you make money, click the withdraw button, they're going to give it to you. So don't worry about if they're making money or they're not making money. At the end of the day, the brokerage industry is a business. Brokers need to make money. How do you think they can create the platforms and everything? So I'm seeing comments like, obviously OctaFX is this and OctaFX that. At the end of the day, they're a business and they're here to provide a service. They're here to ensure that you guys get the best service possible. So don't worry yourself about how much money brokers are making. You have to be focused. How much money are you making? Are you making money? All right, good. So if you're making money, then they're definitely going to pay you out. Where you have an issue is when they don't pay you out. And I haven't had any issue about OctaFX not paying out. As a matter of fact, I think they have one of the quickest withdrawal methods out there. Is OctaFX a regulated broker? Very and hyper-regulated broker. Yes, they are. So I've posted the link to create your trading account there, right about there. Once again, OctaFX have been magnanimous enough and amazing enough for them to obviously sponsor this live stream. So I have to give them their shout out and their props and all that. But I'm going to jump into my screen about now. And then from time to time, for those of you guys who are just joining us, I'll be coming back to this screen to obviously educate you guys about OctaFX. But in the meantime, I know why you guys are here. I know why you guys are here. You guys are here for some charts, for some chart work. I was supposed to be using the OctaFX platform to trade, but I don't seem to have it on my platform as we speak. Maybe I can do that another day. But yeah, I think today should be about you guys creating your account. Once again, the link is right about there. So anyways, where did I stop last time? AUD USD. Now, from what I can see, like I told you guys pretty nicely, AUD USD is very bearish. If you come on the monthly time frame, like I said, the overall flow of the river is pointing downwards. Okay, the overall flow of the river is pointing what? Downwards. If I come on the weekly time frame, you can see the levels pretty much pretty mapped out pretty nicely. You can see we have rejected this level about here. Next level target is going to be all the way down here. I was expecting this market to roll over. Remember the whole issue, the market didn't roll over. We came and we've been testing here for the longest time. Okay, that doesn't change my sentiment overall. My sentiment overall for this is very, very bearish, and I'm going to be looking for potential opportunities to the downside. I'm going to be looking for potential opportunities to the downside shortly. Just want to make sure, see how many people are on the stream. Give me a sec, guys. We got 577 people on the stream. Shout out to you guys. If you're just joining for the first time, I just did something. If you're just joining for the first time, shout out to you guys. Hold on one sec. I need to adjust something. I just made a mistake. All right, it's still pinned there. All right, cool. Yeah, I've removed the link on my screen. Sorry, I just wanted to make sure that everything was cool. So I think we're good now. 576 people. All right, cool. Let's carry on with this bad boy. Now, what do I think is going to happen next for AUD/USD? Remember, guys, I was telling you guys, as long as we sustain below this yellow bar, okay, as you can see, we've tested a couple of times. Market manipulation came back down. Another, obviously, attempt at the supply region. At the time as which I did my last trader talk video, we're currently trading around here. And most people are like, it might go up, it might go up. I'm like, you guys know nothing about Forex. As long as, see, let me tell you something, guys. A little secret. On behalf of OctaFX. OctaFX has the show today, I'm sorry. You know me. You know me. If I like a group of people, I like them. Dapo, we love you. Elizabeth, we love you too. Yeah, oil is going to go. Oil is definitely going to take off. Oil is going to take off. I'm going to talk about oils shortly. On behalf of OctaFX, let me tell you guys a little secret, right? You see, anytime you see a resistance bar like this that has obviously been attempted several times and hasn't been taken out, best believe that that market is not interested in taking out that level, especially if it is a resistance bar in a bearish market. I'll take it again. Can you see how many times we've attempted this? For every time we attempted, we come and close back down below. Even when we broke it and closed above it, we still came back down to trade below it. We did the same thing and all that. So what this says to me is very simple. This guy is a guy you don't want to play with, right? And like I said in my last trader talk video, this market is still very much bearish. However, you know, it's just the way the market goes. Sometimes the market just isn't just going to drop the way you want it to drop. It's going to take its time. It's going to move around. Someone says hi from Russia. Hi to you too, bro. So it's going to take its time, you know, move around a bit, play around a bit before it does anything. And as you can see, we've been playing around here for a bit. However, I'm still very, very bearish on AUD/USD. I have short positions in this shenanigan that's going on. Obviously, because this is sponsored by OctaFX, I can't tell you where to sell or where to buy because that'll be going against regulations. But what I can tell you is from my own personal perspective, AUD/USD is what? Bearish. So I see no reason why we shouldn't bang to the downside. I don't know what I cannot say, you know. I don't know what I can't say you should sell this. I don't know, but I can tell you. Okay, guys, read my sign language. It's going to. Can you guys understand what I'm saying? Like it's going to come down like something like that. You see, it's coming. AUD/USD is coming. Shout out to you guys just joining us for the first time. Someone says hi from Dubai. Obina says hi from Dubai. Someone says hi from Abuja. Someone says hi from Russia. When are you coming to the UK, hosting a networking event or something? Yeah, I'm definitely coming to. I should be in London next month. Inshallah, I should be in London next month. I will definitely host a meet and greet somewhere in London. I don't know how many students will go out there in London, but I should definitely do that and obviously meet you guys and have coffee and then talk some charts and potentially how you guys can raise capital from investors to take your trading to the next level. So yeah, UK, I should be there next month, and after that, as always, I am definitely going to be flying to Nigeria. Shout out to you from Tennessee. Okay guys, I need to focus on these charts. People are just in the comment section just popping up. Anyways, back to what I was saying. So yeah, as you can see, there's space to the downside. I see no reason. As long as we can take out this green bar, AUD/USD is looking very, very heavy. Now let's go over to the euro dollar and see what's happening. Remember when during my last trader talk video, the euro was trading somewhere around here. I told everybody wait for us to pull back into these levels properly. This spike up induced a lot of buyers. You see, once again on behalf of OctaFX, I'm going to teach you guys a little trick. Before you start jumping to any trade, okay, for example, now this is a very textbook trade. It looked like a textbook trade, right? So you can see this leg to the upside and then we've pulled back, right? Ideally, this market is just supposed to continue going up because it is a trend, right? Higher high, higher low. We should go to the upside. Now, most of the time, the books you read will tell you that the market should continue going higher. But in real life, it doesn't happen that way. So before you jump into any trend continuation trade, it's always advisable for you to look at how the previous pullbacks occurred. Can you see how steep this pullback is? It's a very steep pullback. So you think that this pullback is going to be this steep and then this one is just going to be this small. It's not possible. It might not be this pullback might not be as steep as this one, but best believe it's going to be steep. Steeper than obviously us coming just here and just continue to the upside. And at this point, we had not pulled back into any significant support levels. So this is why I was telling you guys, I don't think it's the right time to start buying. Wait for more pullback and for the market to stabilize around some key regions. Did people listen to me? No, never. They just come, watch Trader Talk videos. The information enters here, out this way. What did they do? The market just showed small signs of going to the upside. Small bullish signs. Small bullish signs like this one. It just came up a bit. Everybody started buying. And guess what happened the next day? Bearish, 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 stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. So I hope that's a lesson to you guys. Before you jump into any trade, the rule is, before you jump into any trade, continuation trade, allow the market balance out properly around that level. Okay? For example, this is the level. As you can see, I have waited for the market to come and it has played around here, it's tested it again, broken below it, now it's trading above it. This will tell you that yes, this area, do you get what I mean? This area is a strong demand area. The market tried to break below it. It tried to jump above. We tried to break down below it again. We've currently come above it. I like to see, chart patterns form like this. I like to see price action form around it. I like to see price action like this form around a zone of demand or supply, whichever the case may be, so that I know that, okay, this market has sort of like balanced out around this region. Or I was looking for us to pull back even steeper into here, but that hasn't happened as we speak. So as you guys know, the only way for me to verify if the euro wants to go higher is for me to put what they call a counter trend line. And I'm going to be waiting for this counter trend line to break to the upside. If it does break to the upside, once again, I cannot tell you what to do because this live stream is sponsored by OctaFX. But use your brain. What do you think? Let's go back to the comments and say hi to some more people. Wait. Where am I? I can't find it all. How many people do we have in the room now? We got 621 people. Hi from Zambia. Shout out to you from Zambia, man. Zambia, you guys got some beautiful girls out there in Zambia. From Djibouti. See these African countries, guys. See some of these African countries, man. I'm not going to say anything. I'm not involved. But if you go there, you're a single man. You might not come back the same. In fact, you might never even come back again. Because them girl, them be serious, bro. Someone says, are you a Yoruba man? Of course, my name is Dapo. Why not? So, hi from Morocco. Shout out to you. Are you in, what's the name of that place again? Casablanca? What about a meet and greet in Dubai? So, what's going to happen is, meet and greet in Dubai can definitely happen. Most definitely, actually. So, I'm going to tell my team, they're going to start arranging some meet and greets. So some in Dubai, in the UK, the major cities where we have, but I need to ensure that we have a lot of people before I do that. Hi from Lagos, shout out to you, my brother from Lagos, London town, from Istanbul. We got people from all over the damn world, bro. We got people from all over the San Diego checking in. Hi from Coventry. We got somebody, Frank from Coventry. I went to school in Coventry, man. That's my university. Wow. Shout out to you from Coventry. That city is boring. Boring. But we always made the best of it. Hello from Uganda. Shout out to you guys. Anyways, back to some charts. Let's have a look. Guys. Before I carry on, once again, this live stream is being sponsored by OctaFX. Please do us a favor and create your OctaFX trading account so that we can say on record you came for this live stream, because OctaFX have been magnanimous enough to sponsor this live stream. Because you guys know me, on a normal day I will never do a live stream. Like, it's impossible for you to catch me in one location for this long. They were able to get me to sit down and do the live stream. So the least you can do is go here. I've posted the link. Go there, create your trading account. The link is right about there. I think it's pinned. Let me make sure it's still pinned. Give me a sec. YouTube should still be pinned now, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, right there, the link is pinned. Go ahead and create your trading account and then click start trading. OctaFX is fantastic, very fast withdrawals, very fast deposits and all of that, and they have some really fancy stuff on their trading applications as well. So yeah, back to what I was saying. Now, in terms of Euro USD, like I just did a simple analysis. The only way I'll be interested in jumping into Euro USD to the upside is if we break this counter trend line. Once again, I cannot tell you when to buy or when to sell because that'll be going against the regulations. However, if you just look at my charts and open your eyes, you can see what I'm trying to say. Okay, shine your eyes. So that's Euro USD in a nutshell, guys. I see no reason why we shouldn't be heading, I feel like this is like an exam, and then obviously your friend is struggling and then you're trying to help them pass the exam. You're like this. So Euro USD like this. Wait up. So yeah, GBP USD, let's look at what GBP USD got to say. GBP USD, this setup is very similar to that of Euro USD. Let's quickly go over GBP USD quite briefly. What's happening on GBP USD is actually it is being possessed from a higher time frame perspective. Still very much bearish. Okay, GBP USD. So guys, I want to explain something to you guys, okay? Once again, on behalf of OctaFX. You see, a pair can be bearish long term and bullish medium term. Like a pair can be bearish and bullish at the same time. Let me explain to you guys. You see this GBP USD in front of you guys, right? This pair from a monthly time frame perspective is bearish because we are still producing. This is technically a lower low from this one, okay? And this is technically a lower high from, if you want to count this one, or this one. We've been dropping. We made money selling the market. However, this is a monthly time frame. If I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, over the last 11 months, okay, GBP USD has been pushing all the way to the upside. So what you say in this case is, overall, this pair is bearish. Medium term, this pair is bullish. So you can still find bullish trading opportunities in a bearish market. It just depends on how you look at it. But, oh my god. Sorry guys, I got a call coming in. All depends on how exactly you look at it, right? So yeah, sorry guys, that call just distracted me. Let's take it again. Overall bearish, medium term bullish. Obviously you can find buying opportunities within the overall bearish trend. But one thing I've noticed about trading against an overall trend is that it is more difficult. As you can see, there are a lot of hiccups, a lot of sideways movement. You're not really sure. The truth is, GBP USD at large is bearish. Medium term is bullish. The reason I don't really like to trade, rather go against the overall trend, is you'd never really know when the trend actually wants to continue going back in its original direction, if that makes any sense. Let me give you an example. Can you see when this double top formed about here? Let me remove all this other price action. This looks like the market was about to start dropping again, right? So, I mean, everybody's thinking bearish, blah, 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 blah. And then the market starts going up again. And now it looks like he's about to start dropping again. Why? Because the overall flow of the market is what? Bearish. So the reason why I usually like to stay away from like trend not trend reversals, but like reversals that form consolidations is because you never really know when the market is about to start going back in its original direction. However, GBP/USD has given me the ultimate sign language. It has given me the ultimate sign language, which is price action. First touch of the trend line, second touch of the trend line, and we seem to be coming into the third touch of the trend line. This is a monthly time frame, and we all know that monthly time frames are nothing to play with. If a trend line touches the market on a monthly time frame, Forex Mastery students, you already know what that means. It is going to head in that direction. So what's happening is medium term, we're racing towards that trend line. So you can still look for buying opportunities into the trend line, but once we get here, it's a different story. I wanted to quickly explain that. That being said, what did I say? The market still wants to push into the reversal point, right? So we can still find upward opportunities in this case because we haven't gotten to the reversal point. So we can eat our cake into the reversal point, right? And make some money. Come to the daily time frame. And as you can see, this is why we look like we have a bullish trading opportunity. However, it looks like it is ready for just one last leg to the upside. Once again, I cannot tell you where to buy or where to sell. If you should buy or if you should sell, it goes against the regulations set by Octa Effects, okay? However, what I can tell you is this. Counter trend line, use your head. If we break it, if we don't break it, am I making any sense? Let me look at the comments. Let me look at the comments. What are you guys saying? Well done, Dapo, calling from Port Harcourt. Yeah, Port Harcourt is my city, man. Port Harcourt is my city. Let's see how many people go in the live stream. All right, guys. So if you have any questions, time to answer some questions. We got 671 people in the room. If you got any questions, do you have any questions? Let's go. I want to answer some questions. Somebody says, let's look at US oil. So for US oil, it's very simple and straightforward. If I come on a monthly time frame, it is very straightforward. I can see a bullish engulfing candle. Hold on, guys. Live stream is live. Hold on, I'm just trying to make sure. So US oil, what do I think is going to happen to US oil? It's very simple and straightforward, right? We have a push above, pullback. This is a massive high. Okay, oil hit 129, almost $130 a barrel sometime in March. I predicted this. 2022 March, predicted this, right? Ever since then, we've obviously pulled back. This is natural for the market to do this. Very natural for the market to do this. However, we've come into this demand zone somewhere around here. I was expecting the demand zone to form at this key level. However, I formed beneath it. As you can see, the market played at the key level, spin into the inmost, come to touch the demand zone. Touched it the first time, touch it again, balanced out. This is what I mean by balanced market. Must see, before you start buying, before you are confident in your bounce from a key level, it needs to even out, balance out. Look, I need to see several touches of that level. If you come to the weekly time, I'll show you what I mean. Can you see how we are playing around here? Like the market, this, you can tell that this area is a strong guy. He's holding this oil, like you can't go anywhere. Test it, test it, test it, break below, test it, come back up, test it, test it. Test it, test it, test it, test it several times. You test it as many times as you want to test it. And then yeah, he just wasn't able to break below. As you can see, this level here pretty nicely came down here, test the demand zone, pushed above, come back, test the demand zone. First time, plays around it one again. Second, so it's got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touches, 5 touches, 6 times. It's a weekly time frame, so 6 different weekly candle touches this, and then what we start to see is some green candles to the upside. What that tells you is, it's looking like. It's looking like it wants to go up, man. So for oil, I mean, Forex Mastery students, you can see, like, clearly oil you can see. It's pointing like this. Wants to take off. And obviously, with the fundamental of the global crisis that's going on at the moment, obviously, Europe is at daggers drawn right now. I was looking at the news, apart from the Russia and Ukraine war, I was looking at the news. I can see Poland and Belarus are having, I see some soldiers at the Polish border. It can happen at any time. So once there's, political instability globally, oil prices tend to rise. So fundamentally, I think that kind of like backs up our technical analysis. But obviously I'm not a fundamental trader, but this is a commodity, so you must definitely take your fundamental analysis into consideration. If not, you're going to get left behind. So for oil, this is what I can tell you for free. If we take out $82 a barrel, I see no reason why we shouldn't head to the I see no reason why we shouldn't head to where it should be going to. But obviously, on my Trader Talk episode next time, I'll be able to give some more detail into this. So, guys, I've got some more people joining the room. Is there any pair you guys want me to go over? Gold, it looks like an absolute mess. Euro JPY, I'm going to go over that in my subsequent one. So for now, AUD USD, I'm looking for more push to the downside. Euro dollar, if this level holds, we should push all the way to the upside. So I think that is pretty much it for now. Yeah, that should be it for now. Can turn off the live screen, not the entire screen. Come on. Ecam live. No. How do I turn this shit off? There you go. It's me again, ladies and gentlemen. It's me. So time for some questions. I'm going to answer some questions. I'm going to answer some questions just to make sure we're good. I'm going to answer some questions. Let's see if we got any questions. Hi Daps, when would the capital prop firm... Guys, I can't really speak about prop firms. This is a live stream for OctaFX. I think that would be a bit disrespectful. Once again, guys, if you haven't already opened your OctaFX trading account, this live stream was sponsored by them. Go and create your account, please. Like I said, once again, it's very difficult to catch me on the live stream, and they have definitely done this. So shout out to them. The link right there has my promo code and obviously has my unique code. So yeah, they will know that Dapo Willis sent you. So do me a favor. Let's prove to them that our community is a community of traders that are actually interested in trading, and actually sign up with them. I really honestly and humbly appreciate it. All right, cool. So we got 650 people in the live stream. It's good to have every single one of you. I'm about to end the live stream right about now. It's been 48 minutes. But one thing I can tell you guys is this. I'm having another live stream on Sunday on this Sunday, where I'm going to be officially celebrating the 100K mark. We've obviously passed 100,000 YouTube subscribers, which is a big deal. On Sunday, guys, listen on Sunday, you guys come back here and I'm going to be doing all the giveaways. I'm going to be telling you guys how to pass the giveaway challenge. It's easy, I'm always giving away money on my social media. So yeah, come back here. Sunday, same time, and we're going to be giving, I'm going to be giving out any and everything, okay? Trading books, money, whatever thing it is you guys ask me for, I'm going to be here to give you guys that. So once again, I love you guys very much. See you guys on Sunday. Don't forget, come on Sunday. And I'd like to say a special shout out to the guys at Octa FX for helping us put this together. Not to worry, come on Sunday, I'll be able to answer more questions. Tell your friends to tell a friend to tell a friend that Dapo Willis is here, and it's going to be live on Sunday. And I'll catch you guys in subsequent videos. Once again, don't forget to open your Octa FX trading account, and I'll catch you guys later. Take it easy and peace out.